Welcome to the fundamental guide for building effective AI. We're diving into the essential first step, data preprocessing, or simply cleaning data for artificial intelligence. Imagine you're baking a cake, but all your ingredients are covered in mud, and you don't know how much flour you actually have. That is raw data in the world of AI. Raw data is a mess. It's full of inconsistencies, missing values, and errors. But here's the crucial takeaway. AI is only as good as the data you feed it. AI needs clean, structured data. By the end of this short video, you will master the 4 core steps of the data preprocessing and cleaning process. This is your foundation for all machine learning projects. We are going to break down the complex world of data preparation into 4 simple, actionable steps that every beginner needs to know. Our 4 preprocessing steps are collect, clean, transform, and split. Let's dive into each one and see them in action. Step 1 is collect. This is simply gathering all your raw data. Whether it comes from surveys, website logs, climate sensors, or public databases, you need to pull it all together into one place. Think of it as gathering all your ingredients before you start cooking. Step 2 is clean. This is where the detective work begins. You handle missing values, like filling NA cells, fix obvious errors, and remove duplicate entries. A single typo or a blank cell can break your entire AI model, so this step is critical for accuracy. Step 3 is transform. Most AI models only understand numbers, so we convert things like text categories, say high, medium, low, into numerical values, like 1, 2, and 3. We also standardize number ranges so big numbers don't unfairly dominate small ones. This makes the data digestible for the AI. The final step is split. We divide the clean data into 2 separate groups. A large training set, typically about 80%, which the AI learns from, and a smaller testing set, which we use to check if the AI learned correctly on brand new, unseen data. Never test your AI on the data you trained it on. Now, let's look at a concrete example. This is what you're really striving for. We'll compare a messy raw data set against the final pre-processed clean data set. On the left, you see our messy raw data. Notice the inconsistent column titles, missing data fields marked as NA, and price values mixed with text like 50 United States dollars instead of just a number. This is unusable for AI. And here is the clean, pre-processed version. All columns are standardized, missing values have been strategically filled, and text entries are converted to simple, usable numbers. This is what you feed your AI for accurate learning. Why do we spend so much time on these steps? Because without them, your AI is essentially learning nonsense. Here's a startling statistic in the AI industry. Up to 80% of all machine learning work is dedicated entirely to data preprocessing and cleaning. It's the heavy lifting that makes the AI magic possible. Let's do a quick, rapid-fire review to cement these 4 steps in your memory. Remember the order. Collect your raw data. Clean it by fixing errors and missing values. Transform it by formatting it for the AI. And finally, split it into training and testing sets. Your learning doesn't stop here. Here is your action step for today, and a look at what's coming next. Your action step today is to find any messy data set online, perhaps a CSV file, and try to spot 3 clear problems that you would need to fix during the clean and transform steps. Practice makes perfect. In the next video, we're going even deeper with video 19, reading data sets. We'll show you exactly how to import and start interacting with your data files. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it.